Hi, this is Kelly at KD Web. Welcome to Ride the Wave, a series of videos to help you with your online marketing. It's pretty clear that small businesses are going to have a tough time this year, and it's just my way of helping you to ride the wave. These videos are not going to help the global crisis, I know, but some of us are lucky enough to be able to work at home, and we can put this newfound time into our marketing. It can be a productive time and time for learning. If you channel your energy into your marketing, it may relieve the worry just a little bit. Marketing a business takes time and dedication. It's time that you have now that you can use to prepare for the future. I hope to help you to be steadfast and to hit the ground running when we come back out the other side. Let's get your marketing coordinated. The video series should help you understand marketing and help you to implement simple tactics yourselves. So choose to watch or listen to what you want, when you want. We will look at connecting with an audience. We'll look at websites, at search engines. We'll look at different website programs like WordPress and Wix. We'll take a look at blogging and writing. We'll look at e-newsletters, image editing and video production. We'll look at podcasts and paid for advertising. So I'm going to learn a lot here too. Realise that you can do so much yourself, especially at the beginning of your marketing journey. Even if you're not technical, an understanding of it all is vital. Make sure you oversee this important part of your business. And if there's something you can't do or you haven't got the time, just get freelancers on board to help you. You yourself can use this time to write, even if that's just notes. You can create videos and you could edit photos. Do some experimentation to see what you actually enjoy. I bet there's loads of photos and videos on your phone right now that you can go through and edit and file ready for future use. This will be so useful for when people are back in the buying position and you are working hard. Evergreen is a word that we use for a topic that lives on. It's not current news. So evergreen content is articles or videos or infographics that you produce now that people will still be watching or reading in a year, 5 years, 10 years time. You can release these articles over time when you are busy so that your marketing doesn't come to this grinding halt. This time might even make us realise that it's very useful to have evergreen articles set up, ready to release. Who knows, we might even form a good habit. I have loads of tools that I want to share with you too. Plus I've got some wonderful guests lined up for the Ride the Wave series. These people are also willing to give up their time to help other small businesses through this quiet period. I'm really excited to learn from these people and take this journey myself. So let's pay attention to our marketing, and here are 2 great reasons to do so. The first reason is that you actually find the customers that want to work with you and that value you or your product. You can connect with your audience on a deeper level and focus your efforts only on those people. The second reason is that any effort that you make online concerning your business, such as website, blog, directory listings, images and infographics or social media, and even paid for advertising, they will all reward the business. All the energy that you put in will help your business be more visible online. The Ride the Wave series will help you to understand what you are working towards. Get passionate about online marketing. Go over to the next video on the YouTube playlist to get started.